Welcome to this tips and tricks videos on skeleton outline views in Insight software. To view all our how-to video guides, visit www.sagaciti.co.uk. So we're going to look at the view levels within the RAG matrix, and we're looking at the first assessment here, and we're currently on framework view. There's also skeleton and outline views. If we select the skeleton view, you get the outline of the principle and the approaches that go with each principle. You get the overall score for the principle and you get the assessment. This is repeated for all the principles and approaches in the toolkit you're working on. To see the information and detail of those, you can click on the link and use the back button on your browser to return to the view. You can adjust the approach scores and principle scores here. In this case we're being asked whether we want to override the score that's been set. And if you do override, you get a score overridden message here. And by clicking in, you can actually see that it's repeated in the principle type view. So you see where the score has been overridden. If you go back to the RAG matrix, select the sub-element view, you can see that it's overridden here in the approach as well. And you can reset it when you go back to the skeleton view. You see that by adjusting the approach score, it also adjusts the principle score and adjusts the assessment that you receive as a result of that. The outline view is a good place to get an understanding of how all the PACS elements fit together. It shows the principles down the left hand side that are within the toolkit and identifies that there's guidance, and then approaches down the right hand side, so you see all the approaches for each of the principles that you have in the toolkit you're working on. And you can click on any of these to go and see the detail of those, and again use your back button on your browser to get back to this view. So it's a useful way to navigate around the system because you can get to all the principles and all the approaches, as you can see here, throughout the toolkit. If you have any more questions or want any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@sagaciti.co.uk.